So, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm bringing you my version of a Valentine's Day look because I'm not really girly. Like, I don't like too many pinks and purples. Like, yeah, I see that. I don't wear too many of those colors. So I kind of did my own little twist to it, and I think it turned out pretty cute. I managed to make it work to it turn into a big mess like I usually do when I try to put those colors on. So yeah, like, this is what I got. I like it, and you know, some of my girls that make kind of extra. So you probably go out and wear this too. Probably calm down a little bit. I don't know. This is just me. Okay. But anyways, yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. And remember to hit that subscribe button and comment, like, share, remember to turn that notification button so you won't miss any of my videos. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna stop talking. Oh yeah, and remember, if you want to see me do any looks or recreate a look for you, put it down in the comment section. You know, send me some pictures or whatever. Hit up my Instagram, slide in the DMs, okay? Because I answer all my emails, DMs, all that stuff. But yeah, and that's it, and I will see you in my next look. Okay, so the first palette we're going to use is Morphe 39A, the Dare to Create palette. I'm going to take the colors Frame and Mask, which is just it's not a dark brown, but it's like somewhere in the middle. I'm not using this transition color. I'm just going to go straight into it. And as usual, you guys already know, I pack my colors first and then blend. And if you guys want to see some Valentine's looks, let me know any specific one that you want to see, because I've been trying to, but using pink isn't really my strong suit. So send me a picture or something if you want me to do a look for you, or recreate one or something like that. Okay, and I'm just going in with this Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush, but I use it to blend out my upper colors instead of my crease. Okay, so next colors I'm going to is Cat Eye, I think. Yeah, it should be Cat Eye. It's just like a deeper brown. And the other one is Deep Hue. I'm basically just using all the browns that's in this palette right now. Like, the top part of my eye is going to be really simple. And I'm kind of just placing it right on top of the first two colors that I put down. Okay, I'm just going to add some black in the crease. Okay, so I'm going to take the yellow out of the Juvia's Place Zulu palette and put it over that brown just like you see on the other eye I've already done. And for some reason, I don't know, but I've been in the habit of working backwards lately, like getting all these colors together first and then doing my base color. I don't know. But I'm pretty sure it only works with light colors, so I wouldn't try it with a dark color or anything like that. Okay, I'm just gonna go back into that brown shadow just a little. Okay, so for my lid, I'm taking the color Trendy, and I'm using this same palette. I only used one palette today, surprisingly. Okay, so the glitter that I'm about to put on, the first one is from Both Glitters in the color Cupid's Kiss, and then the other one is just some glitter I got from Amazon. It's like a light pink. So this shade is called Cupid's Kiss, and again, it's from Both Glitters. Okay, so the lashes I have on is in the style Kiss from my lash line, and all the information is in the description box. And I'm just going to use my LA Colors Gel Glide Eyeliner in Blackest. No, it's very black. Okay, so for my under eye, the two shades I'm taking is Forever and Create. And I'm also going to add this pink shadow right here from the Masquerade palette. Okay, so for my inner corner, I'm gonna do something kind of different, I guess. Well, no, not really. So I'm not gonna do what I did on the other eye because it was kind of a mess. So I'm just take this champagne color that I'm always using and put it in my inner corner, and take that pink shadow that I just put under my eye and place it on top. Okay, you just gotta keep packing it on really until you get it where you want it to be. And I think that's enough. I think I like it like that. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going to take On Point from the ABH Cosmetics Blacklight highlight palette, and it's the darkest pink. And this highlighter is pigmented anyway, but I also sprayed the Valentines Make You Dewy Setting Spray to give it a little more, you know, like umph to it. And my face is still kind of wet a little bit, so I'm gonna put my blush on after my face kind of dries down. Okay. And for my nose and my forehead, I'm going to use the Maybelline mascara. Okay, and I'm just using my blush that I always do, the one from LA Colors. Okay, for my lips, I was gonna do something different, but I think I'm gonna just keep it nude like I usually do.